everyone. As today's topic is CVP analysis. What is CVP analysis? The CVP analysis is the relationship between the cost, volume, and profit. The effect on cost and volume on profit. And we will study the contribution of CVP analysis as contribution, PV ratio, break-even point and margin of safety. Our first technique is contribution. The formula for contribution is equal to sales minus total variable cost. Total variable cost is also called marginal cost. Second formula for contribution is equal to profit plus fixed cost. Second technique, PV ratio. PV ratio is also called contribution ratio. The name denotes as contribution divided by sales into 100. Second formula for PV ratio is equal to fixed cost plus profit upon sales into 100. Third formula, if selling price per unit and variable cost per unit is given, then the formula for PV ratio is equal to selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit upon selling price per unit into 100. Next formula is profit upon margin of safety. We will discuss margin of safety later, into 100. Next formula is fixed cost upon break-even point in rupees multiplied by 100. If in question variable cost ratio is given, then formula for PV ratio is equal to 1 minus variable cost ratio. If 2 years data is given, then formula for PV ratio is equal to change in profit upon change in sales into 100. The formula for composite PV ratio is equal to, और composite PV ratio हम लोग calculate कब करते हैं? In case if company produce 1, 2 or more product, then in that case for company we will calculate composite PV ratio, and the composite PV ratio formula is total contribution from all products divided by total sales into 100. Or second formula is individual sigma of individual PV ratio multiplied by sales mix, that is percentage of individual sales to total sales. पहले इंडिविजुअल पीवी रेशियो को इंडिविजुअल सेल्स रेशियो से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एक इंडिविजुअल प्रोडक्ट के, और सारे प्रोडक्ट्स के मल्टीप्लिकेशंस को ऐड कर देंगे, सम ऑफ कर देंगे, तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? कंपोजिट पीवी रेशियो. इन केस वेरिएबल कॉस्ट रेशियो इज गिवन, देन फॉर्मूला फॉर पीवी रेशियो इज इक्वल टू 1 माइनस वेरिएबल कॉस्ट रेशियो. Our third technique is break-even point in rupees. The formula for break-even point in rupees is equal to fixed cost upon PV ratio, or fixed cost multiplied by sales upon contribution, or actual sales minus margin of safety. What is break-even point? Break-even point is the point at which total sales is equal to total cost, and we can also say break-even point is the point where there is no profit or no loss. The formula for break-even point in units is equal to fixed cost upon contribution per unit. Or in case if in question break-even point in units is given, then formula for break-even point in rupees is equal to break-even point in units. Break-even point in units multiplied by selling price per unit. And the last technique is margin of safety. What is margin of safety? Margin of safety is the sales in excess of break-even point sales. लाइक आपका ब्रेक इवन सेल्स है 1000, जहाँ पे टोटल कॉस्ट इज इक्वल टू टोटल रेवेन्यू है. व्हाट इज टोटल रेवेन्यू? सेल्स. एंड सपोज कर लो 1000 है एंड एक्चुअल सेल्स आपका है 4000. ओके, देन मार्जिन ऑफ सेफ्टी इज इक्वल टू एक्चुअल सेल्स माइनस ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट इन रुपीज. देन आंसर इज 4000 minus 1000, that is 3000 is your margin of safety. That is इस ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट के एक्सेस जितना भी सेल्स होगा वो आपका क्या है, मार्जिन ऑफ सेफ्टी. एंड द फॉर्मूला फॉर मार्जिन ऑफ सेफ्टी रेशियो इज इक्वल टू मार्जिन ऑफ सेफ्टी divided by actual sales into 100. Thank you.